Join me as I dive into the craziest wormhole experiment ever. Let's see if we can actually create one. Wormholes have long fascinated scientists and science fiction fans alike. Imagine 2 points in space that are connected in such a way that you can travel from one point to the other in a matter of seconds, no matter how far apart they are. This concept challenges our understanding of distance and space itself. Understanding wormholes is no easy feat. One major challenge is that they would require a type of matter that has negative energy density, which is difficult to work with. Another issue is stabilizing the wormhole. If it's not stable, it would collapse almost instantly. We also have to consider the immense gravitational forces at play. Lastly, creating a wormhole would require technology far beyond what we currently possess. Theorists have proposed several ideas for creating or detecting wormholes. Some believe they could exist near black holes or in the early universe. If we could create a stable wormhole, it could revolutionize space travel and our understanding of the cosmos. However, it also raises concerns about safety and the potential for misuse. The possibility of using wormholes for faster-than-light travel is a topic of ongoing debate. Recent experiments have aimed to detect wormholes by observing unusual phenomena in space. For instance, some researchers have looked for distortions in the light passing near massive objects, which could indicate the presence of a wormhole. Surprisingly, some of these experiments have reported intriguing results, though they are still inconclusive. The scientific community remains cautious, awaiting further verification. The exploration of wormholes pushes the boundaries of our understanding of space and physics. The experiments discussed have brought us closer to understanding these mysterious phenomena. The potential impact on our understanding of the universe could be profound. If you're as excited about wormholes as I am, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to D3 for more. And check out my other videos where I dive into other mind-blowing topics. And as always, keep looking up.